got the bathroom, the outside bathroom just about wrapped up. I gotta put a septic tank in here. Stopped by a local hardware store and they had the turtle backs for the field lines, and just gotta dig the septic tank. And I'll tell you, this is so easy, anyone can do it. Like literally anyone can do it. So
what is that?
Would you look at that?
What the fuck?
$100,000 excavator. And dig that pipe. Now the key is precision. You got to be very careful. You don't want to crush your material.
Is that ink still in here?
There it is. What are you doing? Here's full. Alright, so got the septic tank dug in, field lines put in. About to run up to Home Depot, got to pick up 4 toilets, some self-leveler for the flooring, a couple other plumbing things. Just start tying all the last of it back together. I hope to be able to take a dump in here by Sunday. This was the biggest holdup of me actually using the rest of the plumbing, so I think now. Look at this guy.
Hey guy. Hey, where you going?
Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully we can try everything out today, make sure everything flushes and doesn't back up. It's only a 55-gallon tank, so I don't anticipate too many people flooding this place out, and most of it will probably just be the sink. That's honestly, most of the water will probably come from the sink when we're processing deer, fish, whatever. But maybe we'll get some grass to grow now.